everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I posted something. It's very rainy and cold these days and the lighting was pretty bad. Now I finally fixed it and I'm back. A friend of mine recently asked me to suggest some remedies for hair fall. She saw many videos on YouTube, but she wasn't sure if it really works. I could totally relate. I also spent hours reading comments under YouTube videos to see if it actually worked for somebody. And you'll always find someone who says, I'm going to test it out and I'll be back to report, but they never come back. That's when I decided to take matters into my own hands and to test out a remedy for a month and see what happens. I decided to try out one of Farah Dukhai'S hair fall remedy. If you haven't seen her videos yet, you should. She has thick silky hair like Rapunzel and she does a lot of DIY hair and beauty remedies. In this particular video, she was using Kalonji oil to treat bald spots, hair fall, hair thinning. Now of course hair fall can be caused by many different reasons. It could be stress, it could be that you're not getting enough sleep, you're not getting enough nutrients in your diet, and it all has a very cyclical effect. So if you're stressed out, obviously you're not going to be eating well, obviously you're not going to be sleeping well, and it in turn will affect your hair. So I too went to the Indian grocery store and bought some Kalonji oil. It's known by various names. In Urdu and Hindi it's called Kalonji, in English it's called black caraway, in Tamil it's called Karunjeeragam. These seeds are commonly used as seasoning in recipes and it's also known for its medicinal properties. I also decided to try out a black seed shampoo. This too I got it from the Indian store. So this was my experiment for 3 weeks. I would use this oil and this shampoo. It's generally safe when you consume it as seasoning in recipes, but using Kalonji oil may have some risks. It is known to cause contact dermatitis in some people, so always do a patch test to see if you're allergic to it or not. It may also influence blood clotting and uterine contractions, so it's not safe to use in pregnancy. Apply it onto your scalp and massage well twice a day for a month. Or you can apply it overnight and wash it off the next day. So at the end of 3 weeks, I must say this remedy was very successful for me. As you can see from the pictures, my hair did become thicker. I'm getting a lot of baby hair here. And also my hair fall has reduced. So I would say this is a very simple and easy to use remedy for hair fall. So do try it out. It's quite inexpensive too. As a disclaimer, please use it only for 20 to 30 days and then stop use, and then you can resume use after a while. Well, as they say in Malayalam, Adhigamayal Amridavum Vesham. So Amridam is something that can give you immortality, and according to the saying, even Amridam can be poisonous if you use too much. Do let me know if it works out for you so that other people can also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.